Every time you swipe your card, tap your phone, or click Pay Now, thousands of servers and systems light up around the globe, all to process your transaction in under 2 seconds. Today, we're going deep into the payment universe, covering issuers, acquirers, ISO standards, switches, and core banking platforms like FinTech and T-Swiss that power your money. Let's start with the basics. The issuer is your bank. The acquirer is the merchant's bank. The payment network, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, acts like the global traffic cop. These three talk to each other through high-speed switches and regulatory rails. Every authorization request your bank receives is structured using the ISO 8583 standard. Think of it as a digital language banks speak. Every card swipe is a message with your account details, merchant ID, and amount. Show authorization, reversal, and financial transaction messages with icons. Switches are the backbone of transaction routing. Systems like ACI Base 24 or FIS handle millions of concurrent transactions, ensuring your payment takes the fastest route. They also trigger fraud checks in real time. Once your payment hits the issuer bank, it connects to a core banking platform like Infosys FinTech or TCS banks. These systems check your balance, apply rules, and settle transactions. This step is why your account updates instantly. Global processors like TSYS or Vision Plus sit between your bank and the payment networks. They handle everything: card issuance, reward points, and risk management. This layer is the brain of card operations. From your tap to merchant confirmation, here's what happens. Authorization message travels, switches route it, fraud checks run, and your issuer approves, all in milliseconds. Use motion graphics for speed effect. The future is real-time, API-driven, and AI-protected. From UPI in India to real-time payments in the US, banks are moving to instant 24/7 settlements powered by intelligent fraud prevention. Futuristic dashboard visuals. If this breakdown gave you a new respect for the tech behind your money, share this video with your peers, subscribe for more deep fintech explainers, and comment below with a system you'd like us to cover next.